Welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, we'll provide you with a full guide on how to send a sticker in TikTok. Adding stickers to your TikTok messages can make them more fun and expressive. Let's dive into the steps. Step 1. Open the TikTok app on your device. Step 2. Tap on Inbox to access your TikTok messages. Then, select the desired account or chat where you want to send a sticker. Step 3. Within the chat, locate and tap on the Stickers menu. This menu usually has an icon that resembles a smiley face or a sticker. Step 4. Once you're in the Stickers menu, scroll up and down to view the available stickers. Take your time to explore the options and find the perfect sticker to send. By adding stickers to your TikTok messages, you can add a touch of creativity and personality to your conversations. We hope this guide has been helpful in learning how to send a sticker in TikTok. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please don't hesitate to leave a comment below. And remember to like and subscribe to our channel for more helpful TikTok tutorials and guides. Thank you for watching, and enjoy adding stickers to your TikTok messages.